Handy Andy back at it with another unboxing. This time we're doing the Kensington USB-C dual 4K portable dock with Qi charging. Now, if you have a laptop, you probably have a USB-C connection. You're going to need one of these because there's no ports on these new laptops. So this works for both Windows, Mac OS, and surprisingly also for iPads and Samsung DeX. So Galaxy Note, all those other types of tablets. So it's kind of like your Swiss Army knife for a portable dock. So let's go ahead and begin this unboxing. Let's just see what it looks like when you take it out of the box for the first time. I'll get it all ready, and first thing you get, don't be a stranger. We're here for you. So they've put together a web page for the SD1700P. That's cool. If you look at the back, it kind of tells you everything, what goes where, everything from your keyboards, laptops on the USB-A ports, and then also you got your 4K HDMI, and we'll take a closer look at that. But that's really nice that they make it super user-friendly. Looks like there also is some registration documentation and also some type of a manual, it looks like. I don't know why you need a manual for something so quite obvious. Wow, look at that. This is beautiful. Wow, this is beautiful looking. Now, I like this fabric on top. Almost like a speaker fabric. Now, this is wireless Qi, so you can put your smartphone right on top of here and charge it while it's connected to your laptop. So again, it is USB-C. Not sure what this, so this, you know what this is for? This is for when you are storing it, you can put it like that. So you can put your cable away and then put this in your backpack. That is a great design element. There are little feet, rubber feet on the bottom that kind of protrude off the side. And here we have the USB-A ports, USB 3, you can tell because they're blue. So yeah, mice, keyboards, stuff like that. You also have USB-C port here. This is for the power port of your laptop. So you plug that in and then you can plug this in. So it has 100 watt throughput on that. Looks like there's a power button to turn devices on and off. And if I flip it over, now we see the two HDMI ports and also an Ethernet port. So you can direct from your modem directly into your laptop. And then again, wireless Qi on top. So everything you need. This is great for anyone that has gotten a new laptop recently. You're going to have to get one of these. I don't know why they don't come with laptops these days, but this one from Kensington looks like it fits the bill. So stay tuned for a second video where I'm going to be doing a full-on review. I'm going to be switching out the old portable dock that I currently have with this one. So you want to watch that. It should be a quick one. I just want to make sure everything is running when I do that. Once again, this was the unboxing for the SD1700P USB-C dual 4K portable dock with wireless Qi charging. Be sure to watch the full review for this. I'm Andy Baryer, Handy Andy. See you again next time.